Hi, I'm Said. I'm a happy owner of PowerShot G12 from Canon. I enjoy it very much. However, yesterday when my kids were taking some Nerf movie, they dropped it on the floor and it's not working anymore. So I need to open it. So this video is about disassembling a Canon PowerShot G12. I hope it helps you. Now I'm going to show you how to open the casing of a Canon PowerShot G12. It's not that hard to do so, but there are some things that you need to know. First of all, you take out the battery, the flash card, and there are several screws that you need to take out. One is here. There are two here, two more here, and there is one which is for the next strap bar, two of them. There is one inside the compartment here, okay, and yes, this one you need to take out too, although it looks like it's on the other side of the panel. But this one from the behind also has a hole which this screw mounts in. So let's start. Okay, and this last one was a long one, and the first one was a long one. The others are all the same small size. Okay, so far it's good. So far so good. You take all the screws out, and then the panel looks like it's detaching such easily. Okay. Let's try it like this, yeah. From the bottom, it goes really easily out. However, the issue is there are some hinges in here, okay? So, to be able to easily take them out, you take a flat screwdriver and then you just roll it inside here. You see, there is one here, another one around obviously here, you see, and one best that I know, which is here, you see. So it comes off so easily. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that's how you disassemble a Canon PowerShot G12.